Look! The park!
Here we are. Go and have fun.
Mommy, come and play with me.
I'm coming, sweetie.
Look at me! I am so high!
Wow. Whew. Great job, Liam.
Push me, Daddy! This is fun!
Here it comes. Catch it.
Oh no! My ball!
Look! The dog runs after it.
Thank you, little dog. Good boy. You are so soft and friendly.
Come on, let's fly the kite.
It's flying way up in the sky.
Here, Liam. A piece of fruit for you.
Mmm, delicious. Here you go, little dog.
What a wonderful day.
Bye, little dog. See you later.